Exercise 8. Sir, I come to another provision full stop. In the statement of objects and reasons, one of the objects mentioned is reducing unnecessary cost or burden by requiring companies to attach only an abridged form of prospectus to the application form full stop. I would like to know specifically from the Honorable Minister which section of companies has represented that the cost of printing the balance sheet is prohibitive and they want to reduce it full stop. I submit that in the annual report as presented today, there is a whole section dealing with listing of employees getting salaries of over rupees 3000 full stop, and I find that over the years this figure of 3000 is not increased full stop. In this amending bill there is some provision resulting in large companies having thousands of such employees, and they are listing those employees, which itself takes up 30 or 40 pages of the balance sheet full stop. Merely deleting that provision can bring down the cost of printing, and that will not affect the small investors in any way full stop. Instead of doing that, they have taken powers now suggest that it should be deleted altogether full stop. A small shareholder is not interested in who is employed and what salary he is getting full stop. He is only interested in knowing whether a director's relative has been employed, and that was the original purpose full stop. Next para. This was inserted in the 60s when it was found that the wives or relatives of the managing directors of companies are appointed on high salaries full stop. So a provision was inserted full stop. At that time 3000 rupees was a very high salary full stop. It was said that the regard to people drawing above 3000 rupees details should be given full stop. Today the law should be amended to the effect that if the director's relatives or those connected with the companies are employed by the company, details should be given full stop. Probably after this provision, nobody's relative will be employed because it will come to the adverse notice of the government full stop. But abridging the whole balance sheet to reduce cost is not good full stop. We are seeing larger corporations, instead of just giving information as required by the Companies Act, printing fancy balance sheets, color photographs, offset printing, etc. Certainly they are not worried about the cost full stop. It is a strange thing that the government is worried about reducing the cost unless we are talking about the balance sheets of the public sector companies, which is a different matter full stop. But the companies which are doing so take pride in printing color balance sheets, and it cannot be their representation, and in the name of reducing costs you cannot bar vital information from us. Full stop. Thank you.